Tech Motors family, this is the 2000 Toyota Estima. Comes with 42,282 original miles. It is powered by the reliable 1MZ FE 6-cylinder engine with an automatic transmission. This vehicle is 4-wheel drive. It does come with 2 front doors, 2 rear sliding doors, and a rear hatch as well. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the interior of the vehicle. All right, we are going to go ahead and take a look at the dash of the vehicle. I don't know if, yeah. That number that you're looking at, 68,046, that is the kilometers. The miles again is 42,282. We are going to go ahead and take a look at the frame of the vehicle. We'll start right here on the driver's side. Hey Tech Motors family, thanks for tuning in. If you are looking for the best factory right-hand drive postal vehicle across the USA, you are in the right place. Drive into savings with Tech Motors LLC, your ultimate destination for reliable factory right-hand drive postal vehicles. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notifications so you never miss out on our latest videos and deals. Let's keep driving together. Also, for more information and pictures, please visit our website at techmotorspostalcars.com, or you can contact us at 423-716-2161. We'd be happy to answer any questions that y'all may have. I do want to tell you guys thank you so much for the continual support. It really means so much to us. We appreciate each and every one of you guys. I do pray that y'all have a blessed and safe day as well.